Okay, at the moment the control unit's switched off. So the solenoid valve is there, you can see it. It's actually closed at the moment, so obviously there's no power going to it. The two white leads you can see here, the same one. In a bit of a tangle, but the other end obviously I'll plug in, goes into the one that says pump, correctly so. Now as I switch on here, one sec, obviously the green light comes on as expected. Solenoid valve probably going to open, because it normally does. Yeah, there we go. So solenoid valve's on because there's power coming from that socket. If we look over here, so drum's got the lid on, that has a magnet in to switch everything off when the lid's removed. And we move it slowly, we'll see the drum spinning. Magnets at the back corner there. Now if we take that off, the drum's obviously stopped. Now then, has the solenoid valve stopped? No, it would still be flooding out water. So there's still power going to that pump socket, which there shouldn't be. I definitely don't need a new solenoid valve. What happens if I turn the power unit off so there's no power going? So it closes. Turn the power back on this unit. It opens again. Okay, obviously the drum's not in cleaning mode now. If I put the lid back on, enough so the magnet is in contact, I'm sure the drum will probably start again. There we go, drum starts. Take that off, obviously that stopped. The solenoid valve should be shut. No, still open. What else? If I'm to temporarily lift this little sensor down here, which I'm not going to do now whilst there's power on, which would mean obviously it's not in cleaning mode, then that should, with the lid off, or the lid on actually, stop, you know, the drum shouldn't go into cleaning mode and the solenoid valve should be also off, but that doesn't make a difference either. So no matter what mode it's in, cleaning mode or not, lid on or off or not, that is always in the open mode, and it isn't volty because it wouldn't open if it was volty. Same thing obviously, if I unplug the actual plug from the unit, it will shut because it's just like turning the power off obviously. Same thing as doing the switch, but instead of the switch, if we unplug that, you can see it's shut. As soon as I plug it back on, there's going to be power to it again. And that's the problem. I'm not so sure why this is taking so long to fix, but hopefully it can be fixed soon.